Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the top 15 enhancements to the 2019 Winnebago Touring Coach Travato 59G and 59K here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. All new for the 2019 model year, the Travato 59G and 59K feature all new interior colors. There are two choices, the first of which is the blue interior. It does feature the lightest of the ultra leather fabrics and colors. It includes then a neutral beige marble styled Corian countertop. The flooring then also includes a tile look on a quarter drop. The second choice is the Mecca interior. It is a medium neutral beige interior with ultra leather fabrics. It does feature a stone colored Corian countertop, and the flooring then features a bamboo appearance, both of which then are on the upgraded Beaufloor vinyl flooring. The high-end Italian Techniform cabinets, again, these are the cabinets that we purchase using computer-aided design from Techniform, which is a high-end Italian yacht cabinetry manufacturer based in Italy. And the reason why we make this investment is twofold. One, the cabinets are extremely lightweight, which frees up all of that cargo carrying capacity as you use the Travato on the open road. And the second is that they are moisture resistant. Just like in a high-end yacht, as we fight humidity in camping climates, they're very moisture resistant. So the cabinetry offers two different choices. The first is Macchiato, which is a high gloss finish in a light caramel colored stain. The overhead doors also include a chrome accent strip. The second choice is Noche, which is a darker natural matte finish with a neutral beige stain and wood grain appearance. And again, these overhead doors include a chrome accent strip. Number two, all new windows for the Travato in the 2019 model year. The 59G features a large galley window, and as we all know, that window does not open, and the reason for that is because we don't want that obstruction with the cargo door. In the 59K, the windows have been standardized in size with added windows along the headboard of each of the twin beds. Standardizing the size of these windows now allows for an added 3/4 inch of insulation in the sidewalls to tighten up in four-season RVing climates. Number three, the all-new European cassette blind system provides full blackout and a thermal break for insulation. The bottom-up and top-down design allows for privacy and ventilation. The shades are highly insulative with complete blackout. They also then provide that thermal break on the back side, providing that solar insulation. You can also leave these blinds slightly open and locking out the windows to allow for fresh air ventilation even when you're away from your Travato. The beauty of this is that you do get complete opaque blackout for privacy, but you can also then use them slightly open in transit or to provide fresh air ventilation when you're away from the coach. The other benefit to the cassette European blind system is that they're very quiet. So as you travel down the road, you can leave those in a fixed position. They won't sag back down, but they also won't provide any noise in terms of the MCD roller shade system that could potentially come unfastened from the Velcro and then actually provide some noise going up against the sidewall. Number four, we've added a 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter that provides electrical power for household appliances off of the dual AGM absorbed glass mat maintenance free Group 31 RV batteries. Powering those then is number five. We've increased the solar output to be a standard 200 watts of ZAMP solar. As we know, that is expandable on the rooftop with the quick ports that are provided up on the rooftop for a plug and play installation. And then we also have the quick ports for solar on the portable side as we get down towards the ground level. Number six, we've added a large 7.3 cubic foot compressor driven 12 volt refrigerator with a separate freezer for the 59G. As we knew before, the 59K has always maintained its 4.3 cubic foot compressor driven 12 volt refrigerator and freezer. Number seven, we've added a lockable storage compartment in the floor below the dinette table in the 59G. We've also added a lockable compartment in the raised floor between the cab seats in the 59K. Number 8, both models now feature improved positive lock latching on those high-end Italian Techniform cabinets. Number 9, we've added a removable bamboo shower platform for each of the bath and ones. This is actually a sealed marine plywood, so it's very moisture resistant, and it really provides that spa-like feature in a nimble, efficient, on-the-go van. Number 10, we've added the OmniGo from King Controls, omnidirectional local off-air high-definition antenna at the back of the van to allow for more room for solar or rooftop storage. Number 11, exclusive to the 59K, we've added 2 seat belts on the driver's side twin bed. Number 12, exclusive to the 59G, we've added a door and storage compartment in the rear shower wall, accessible from outside of the van as you open those rear cargo doors, again, exclusive to the 59G. Also in the 59G, we've also added hot and cold water to the exterior shower. Previously in 2018 and prior models, it was only cold only for the 59G. Number 14, we've standardized commonly ordered features. The side screen door has been made standard for both vans. And again, as mentioned earlier, we've doubled the size of standard solar, which will replenish those dual AGM absorbed glass mat maintenance-free batteries. And last but certainly not least, there are 2 new options for the Travato for the 2019 model year. We've added true leather cab seats as an option. These are specialty seat covers that are designed to work with the integrated airbags in the seats. The leather then coordinates with the ultra leather interior. And again, those are standard colors regardless of whether or not you order the blue or the Mecha interior. The other new option for 2019 is the availability of Dual-Pane like acrylic windows with a thermal break for better insulation in cold weather climates. These are awning style windows that can be used in the rain and allow for ventilation even when the windows themselves are locked out, so that as you're away from your van, you can leave those windows slightly cracked to provide for fresh air ventilation. Again, 15 all new enhancements exclusive to the 2019 Winnebago Touring Coach Travato 59G and 59K available here at Lichtsinn RV.